Yeah, she had me hike all the way up here
How pretty
from the parking lot. It is beautiful now.
It's worth it.
It is worth it. Welcome back, everyone. This is episode 3 of my 3-week road trip series, and if you're just joining, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like before you head out. It really helps the channel. Today, I'm taking you along as I explore Yosemite National Park for the very first time. Yosemite has 5 entrances, and since our last stop was the stunning Lake Tahoe in episode 2, it made perfect sense to enter through the Tioga Pass entrance via Highway 35 from Carson City or Lake Tahoe, depending on your route. From the Tioga Pass entrance, it might take about 30 minutes of driving before you see something that'll make you want to pull over. For me, that moment was Tenaya Lake, a breathtaking spot that's totally worth stopping for. Oh, and just a quick FYI, if you don't already have a pass, the entrance fee is $35 per private vehicle and is valid for 7 days. Definitely worth it for all this beauty. This scenic spot is called Olmsted Point, and it looks just like a perfect painting in my opinion. Yosemite National Park, over 740,000 acres of breathtaking wilderness. If you're planning a visit, here's my number 1 tip. Start your day early. Trust me, getting here before the crowds makes all the difference. Now, this spot right here is one of my favorites. Unlike the other viewpoint closer to Half Dome, Glacier Point, this spot is way less crowded, giving you time to really soak in the beauty without the chaos. I know this may be a little bit hard to see, but straight ahead you have Half Dome, and then to the right you have Nevada Fall, and below that you have Vernal Fall. Our last stop of the day is Glacier Point, and let me tell you, it's worth every step. This is the most walking I've done since I arrived at Yosemite, but the views here, absolutely gorgeous. So remember, go early, explore quieter spots, and embrace the disconnect. That's how you experience Yosemite at its best.
Move, move, body, move, move your body.
What an interesting day at Yosemite National Park. I think I'm tired of driving, tired of sightseeing, tired of looking at the same rock. Or two or three. Let's head to the next destination. And for anyone wondering, this viewpoint is wheelchair accessible. Welcome to Arches National Park, a place where the stars and the sun take turns bringing this landscape to life. Honestly, it's hard to believe that what we drove through in the dark turned out to be this incredible. But trust me, this is not a place where you want to go for a midnight run. You might end up running off of a cliff or straight into one of these big, beautiful rocks. Arches is open 24 hours, making it perfect for stargazing. Just don't forget to bring a flashlight with a red light setting. We passed someone using a headlamp shining directly in our faces. Rookie move. A little tip, aim your light at the ground, not at people. It'll save everyone's night vision. Common sense, right? Or maybe not. Before we got here, I made a quick stop in Las Vegas, rested for a couple of days, and then picked up my friend Alicia from the airport. From there, it was a straight drive to Moab, racing against the clock to get here before it got too late. Feel okay? So, we hiked to Delicate Arch, a 3-mile round trip adventure. I didn't record much on the way up, but trust me, it was worth every step. The hike is pretty moderate and can take about 2 or 3 hours depending on your pace. This hike was such an amazing experience, and honestly, I love that we didn't plan the hike ahead of time. If we had, we might have talked ourselves out of it. This was definitely a highlight of the trip and proof that spontaneity can lead to the best memories. Yeah, she had me hike all the way up here.
So pretty.
From the parking lot. It is beautiful now.
It's worth it.
It is worth it. It really is. It's so cool.
Yay.
Next stop, Glenwood Springs, Colorado. After that hike, a hot soak was non-negotiable. Glenwood Springs is nestled about 2 hours and 45 minutes west of Denver. The hot pool was $34 per adult for a day pass, and the best part? You get re-entry privileges. However, if you're planning to rent one of their $4 towels, I'd say skip it. They're pretty thin and not ideal for colder weather. Instead, bring your own robe and a thick towel. Trust me, it makes all the difference in the world when the temperature drops. We chose the mineral baths, which are adults only after 5 p.m. We stayed for about 2 hours. It was a must that we caught the sunset while we soaked in the atmosphere before hitting the road again. With Glenwood Springs checked off the list, it was time to make our way to our next stop, our resort in Avon. Welcome to the 1-bedroom residential suite at the Westin Riverfront Resort and Spa in Avon, Colorado. This incredible upgrade was such a surprise. It came with my Marriott Titanium status. This suite truly felt like a home away from home. It's equipped with a full kitchen for those who like to cook, 2 TVs to catch your favorite shows, a cozy fireplace to warm up by, and a private balcony with stunning views. And let's not forget the super convenient washer and dryer combo, perfect for an extended stay. Let me know in the comments, would you upgrade to this room if given the chance? On our way to breakfast, we spotted the resort's heated pool and 3 inviting hot tubs. Talk about a perfect setup to unwind, maybe with some wine, especially after a long day of exploring. Our last full day in Colorado featured a stunning train ride on the Royal Gorge Route. From the resort, it was a 2.5-hour drive to Cañon City for our 12:30 departure. If you're coming from Denver, the drive is a bit shorter, just about 2 hours. Parking was super easy and conveniently close to the ticket check-in area. We chose the Vista Dome experience, which offers breathtaking views from the comfort of the dome or from the open-air cars, where you can truly immerse yourself in the beauty of the Royal Gorge, a canyon nearly 305 meters deep. At this particular time, because it is peak season, our tickets were $134 per adult. As our train journey comes to an end, so does my incredible 3-week cross-country road trip, which spanned October 9th to the 30th. I hope you've enjoyed following along and that these adventures have sparked some travel inspiration for your own journeys. If you love this trip as much as I have, don't forget to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. Until the next adventure, live, love, life.